So today we are going learn what is quick sort. Okay, so quick sort is divided and conquer sorting algorithm. It work like pick a pivot element from the array. Okay, so rearrange. But after that, uh, first of all, I need to pick a pivot element from the array. Okay, and rearrange the partition the array. Element is smaller than pivot go to the left side. Okay, element which is smaller than the pivot will we will set these element in left side, and the element greater than pivot go to the right side. Okay, so recursively quick sort the left part and the right part. Here steps in detail what we are going to do in it. So choose a pivot, and can be first element, last element, and middle element, or random. Okay, let's use the last element for simplicity. So step 2, partition. Okay, so rearrange the array so that all element is less than or equals to pivot. So okay, all elements which is less than to the pivot are before it. Okay, and all element greater than pivot are after it. Mean right side, and less than equals to in left side. Okay, so place pivot in its correct sorted portion. Step equals to 3, recurse. Okay, apply quick sort on left and right subarray. Okay, here we are going to partition. Okay, so we are going to pass as argument array. Low means index, starting index, and high means index, last index. Okay, so here pivot equals to array high, and I equals to low minus 1, index of smaller element. Okay, so this is the index of smaller element, and this is the index of choose the last element as a pivot. Okay, so here I am going to iterate by using for loop. So here for j in range, for index of small sorry, this one for a starting index, and this is one for last index, last element. Okay, if array j is less than equals to pivot, if current element is smaller than the pivot, we need to increase it by 1. Here you can see, and after that we need to swipe array of j, comma, array of j swipe by array of I swipe by array of j, and array of j is swiping by array of I. So here after that array of I plus j swipe by array of I, and array of I swipe by array of I plus 1. Place pivot correctly. Okay, so return I plus 1. Here we are going to apply quick sort. So here we are also passing array low and high. Okay, if low is less than high, okay, pi equals to partition of array low and high, pivot index. And quick sort, here I am going to apply quick sort array low high, sorry, array, here also array low, comma, pi minus 1, this one, and here pi plus 1 high. This is for her right side, this is for left side. Sort left array, this one, and this one for sort right sub array. Okay, here this is the array, and here this is the quick sort. We are going to call this function. Here I am going to pass array comma 0 for left length of array minus 1. Okay, here sorted array equals to this one. This is the array variable. Okay, so here we can see dry run. So if you have array like 10 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 5. Okay, see we took 5 at a 5 as a pivot element. Okay, so pivot equals to 5, and partition 5 uh, 5 1 comma 5 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10 comma 7. So 5 is in the correct place at index 1 0 1. Okay, so left part is already sorted uh, from part, from pivot, left part is already sorted. Okay, and 5 is correctly placed at index 1. So left part is already sorted and right part 8, 9, 10, 7. Choose pivot equals to, now we are going to choose another pivot equals to 7. So partition 7, comma 8, comma 9, comma 10. So recursively sort sub array until sorted. So final array is 1, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here you can see like pi is equals to 5. Okay, so if we are going to partition it, so all the element which is less than 4 from pi weight, okay, we need to keep it in left side. So here only 1 is less than, sorry, 5 is greater than 1. Okay, so 1 is less than 5, so we need to put it in left side. And all the element which is greater than 5, I mean which is greater than from 5 8, so we need to put it in left, I mean right side. Okay, so here you can see 5 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10, okay, and comma 7. 5 8 9 10 and 7. So 5 in correct place at index 1. So left part already sorted because 5 is I mean 1 is already less than 5. Okay, so left part is already sorted and right part 8 9 7 8 9 10 and 7. Okay, so choose we need again we need to choose pivot equals to 7 here. Now we need to do partition. So element with less than 7, I mean less than 5, so we don't have any value there in this list. The value less than to 7, so we don't have any value. We have all values greater than 7, so we need to put all these value in the right side. 8 9 10. Okay, 7 comma 8 9 10. So recursively sorts the array until sorted 1 comma 5 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. Okay, so this is our answer.